Hey, what's up? In this video, I'm going to talk about the ZTE Nubia X, which is the first smartphone with dual screen. The primary screen or the front screen is 6.26 inches with a resolution of 1080 by 2280 and it is IPS LCD display. Whereas on the back there is a 5.1 inches screen with OLED panel surprisingly and a resolution of 720 by 1580p. Both of them are protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. On the back of the phone, there is a dual camera setup. The primary sensor is of 24 megapixel with f1.7 aperture and the secondary sensor is of 16 megapixel with f1.8 aperture. And it has dual LED flash aside from the cameras. On the front, there is no notch and the screen to body ratio of this mobile is 86.6%, whereas the aspect ratio is 19:9. And a really weird thing about this device is that it has no sensors on the front, which means that there will be no selfie camera on the front. But it's not a problem because there is a screen on the back of the phone. You can watch your face while taking a selfie from the back cameras. And there's also no 3.5mm headphone jack. What do you guys think? Will you make a trade-off of the 3.5mm headphone jack and the selfie camera with dual screen feature? Comment down your answers in the comment section below. And another weird thing about this mobile is that it has two fingerprint sensors side mounted. I think one is for the front screen and the other for the back screen, as you can see it in this video. And I'm serious right now that this mobile is full of weird things. Now let's talk about the battery. So it has a 3800 mAh battery with 18-watt quick charge technology, and it has a USB Type-C connector on the bottom of the phone. The phone runs on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box with Nubia UI 6.0. There are three variants of the device. First one has 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of internal. Second one has 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, whereas the third one has 6 GB of RAM with 64 GB of internal storage. And all of them will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. There is a dual nano SIM slot, but there is no SD card slot. There are 4 color variants available for this mobile: deep grey, sea blue, black gold, blue gold. Okay guys, that is all for today. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you can get notified about my future videos. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, peace out.
Endless possibilities, a new paradigm, history anew. Your future starts here. Dual side redefined. Nubia X.
Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification.